Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. I don't know about you, but I love a good multi-use product, and I have discovered a product that you can use in 4 different ways. This is the Hybrid Eye Pigment from Aleph Beauty, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you all 4 ways to use it. And I think that the last way might surprise you just a little bit. So I hope you guys find today's video fun and helpful. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli, and I am a mom on a mission to make it easy to find clean and safe products that you truly love. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, I am so excited to introduce to you the Hybrid Eye Pigment from Aleph Beauty. This product has been specifically formulated to be a cross between a pencil and a powder and an eyeshadow. So that means that it can be used in multiple ways, which is just super handy and convenient. It can cut down on the amount of products that you need, so you're minimizing waste. It can make it so much easier to travel with. It can just make your application a lot faster in the mornings as well. So the first way that you can apply this pigment is as an eyeshadow. And I did already apply this to my eyes so that I didn't have to take time on camera to apply it, but I just put a tiny smidge. This product is super pigmented, and I am using the color Incense, which is super, super dark. So I just dabbed a teeny little smidge and put a little bit in the crease for a little bit of dimension. Okay, the second way that you can apply the Hybrid Eye Pigment is to shape and fill in your eyebrows. I love how well this product clings to my hairs, and so it makes it just look super natural. It doesn't look shiny, and it does a really nice job of filling in my very thin brows and helping them to look a little bit more symmetrical. So I like to use the liner brow brush. It has this little spoolie on one end where you can start to get the hairs kind of facing the right way first. And then this side here, I just like to put it right here in the pot, grab a little bit, and I'm gonna scoot up just a little bit so you guys can see better. I do have a mirror right over here, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I just like to apply it straight to my brows with these little hair-like strokes. And for whatever reason, this brow is not quite as high as this brow, so I like to add more above, and then on this side I do a little bit below, and that really seems to help even them out. They still look super natural. You can already kind of see the difference in just a few strokes. Okay, both of my brows are done, and we are moving on to the third way to use this product. And I'm actually going to be using the same brush, and I am going to be using this as an eyeliner. So you can actually take the brush straight to the pot again, and I am going to scoot up again so that you guys can see. And I am just going to very lightly add a little bit to the bottom of my eye right there. You can kind of go as subtle or as bold as you would like by going back over and layering. I just like a little tiny bit that adds quite a bit of definition with just a little bit of color here. And I do find that it is a little bit easier to add your liner before you've applied your mascara, but for today's video, I wanted to already have my mascara on so you could see the finished product. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna do. You can add this product to your upper lash line as well. I think I'm just gonna stick to the lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit right over here, and then I will come back to the fourth way to use this product. Okay, I have liner underneath both of my eyes now. I think it gives it a little bit more definition, and then of course with my brows that are a little bit more filled in, we are just about done with today's look. But I do have one more way that might surprise you a little bit that you can use this product. So since this product clings to hairs so well, did you know that you can actually use this product as a root touch-up? And I'm talking about your hair roots. So you very well may notice that it has been quite some time since I have been able to get to the salon, and you know, it's okay. Life is busy. Grays are natural, a beautiful thing. I do like to cover my grays right now. And what's really fun is that with this product, you can actually help touch up your roots, and it actually stays until the next time you wash your hair. I like to use the mascara fan brush. It looks like this. I already have a little bit of this product on here from when I did this the last time. Since it's not going on my face, I don't wash this brush every single time. And then I just go right into the pot. Again, grab some product, and I just kind of start painting it right on. And it just starts to cover up those grays to delay the time that I need to get to the salon, or to help bridge the gap a little bit better. Now, mine are a little bit on the long side. If you had, you know, just a little bit of grow out, it wouldn't take quite as much time or product to get in here, but it goes on really easily. And what's kind of fun is that since it has nourishing ingredients, it's actually nourishing your hair while it is covering. And wow, isn't that so fun? I just thought that that was a really neat way to use this product. I saw that recently. It's like, I have got to show you guys about this hack. I thought it was so cool. So one product, tons of different ways. I will go through and get the rest of these here in a minute, and I will come back on and show you the finished product and the best way to shop. So hold tight, and there we have it. I have my grays touched up. My eyebrows are filled in. I do have a little bit of eyeliner, and then of course some eyeshadow, all from one tiny little jar. I did want to share, I have the shade Meteorite here, so I did want to compare them for you. Meteorite has been recommended for brunettes, and then Incense, the one that I've been using today, is recommended for darker hair. So I just kind of wanted to compare the two for you since I had them both here. I'm a big fan of Aleph Beauty. I love that the products do not contain the nasty toxins in them. It's a nice, clean formulation that is also nourishing. If you would like to shop, I do have a discount code available for you guys. I will post that in the description, and I will also have the link for the hybrid eye pigments, and then also both of the brushes that I used for the look today. And I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and I'm here if you've got any questions at all. Have a really blessed day. Bye.